Hello dear students, today we are coming here with the next sample paper plus 2 class chemistry, total marks 70, time 3 hour. So first start from the MCQ type questions. So first question, that is the units of cell constant. So right answer, that is a centimeter inverse. This question is repeated many times. A catalyst increase the rate of reaction by decreasing activation energy, increasing. So right answer, that is a C option, decreasing the activation energy. So next question, which has maximum number of unpaired electron. So maximum number of unpaired electron, that is a so right answer, that is a Fe2 positive has maximum number of unpaired electron. Next, the carbon which is bonded to 4 different atom or group of atom, that is called as a chiral carbon. So next question, the reagent with which the both acetaldehyde and acetone react easily is known as, that is a acetaldehyde and acetone react with easily, that is a Grignard reagent test. ठीक है. Next, the catalyst used in Rosenman reduction reaction, that is a lead barium sulfate sulfur और quinoline use कर दे. Next, which of the following will undergo aldol condensation again, जिसको को CH3C double bond O group होएगा. So option right option D option is the right answer. Next, the molality of pure water, that is a 55.5. So next, on dissolving common salt in water, the boiling point of water, that is a so right answer, that is a B and C option are same. Boiling point of water decreases. ठीक है. Next, molarity of a molarity is expressed as, that is a molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. So that is a mole per liter. So B option is right answer. Next, true and false type questions. Benzaldehyde cannot undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction ਦੇ ਲਈ benzaldehyde, that is a क्योंकि Cannizzaro reaction which there is no need of alpha hydrogen. So this is a right statement, true statement. Aldehyde are less easily oxidized than ketone. So less easily. So this is a wrong statement क्योंकि aldehyde easily oxidized हो सकते हैं. Ketone the difficult है. Phenol are acidic in nature. That is a true statement. 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen are donor atom in ethylene diamine. This is also true statement. The primary and secondary valencies of copper in the complex of copper Cu NH3 4 SO4 2 and 4. This is also a true statement. Okay. So next paragraph is question, you can easily go through that. Next, that is a section B 2 marks carrying question. After that 3 marks carrying question, and last that is section D 5 marks carrying question. So start करते हैं first two. So first I write 2 marks carrying question. तो write difference between molarity and molality. So molarity, it is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. In case of molality, it is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved per kg of solvent. ठीक है. And it decrease with increase in temperature. Molarity, it is independent upon temperature. Units of molarity mole per liter and capital M denote कर दें. Molarity mole per kg small m denote कर दें. ठीक है. Next है calculate molar elevation constant. सो के बी फाइंड आउट करांगे ਆਪਾਂ. ठीक है. एंड मोलर कंसनट्रेशन गिवन है 0.1 मोलर एंड डेल्टा टी बी ऑल्सो गिवन. ठीक है. सो इतने सारे की वैल्यू पुट करांगे, सॉल्व करांगे. डेल्टा टी बी के बी की इतने वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लवेंगे ईजिली. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, एडिशन ऑफ 0.643 ग्राम ऑफ कंपाउंड टू 43.95 ग्राम ऑफ बेंजीन lower the freezing point from 5.51 degree centigrade to 5.03 degree centigrade. If Kf for benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole, calculate molar mass of a compound. So WB ਸਾਨੂੰ given है, WA given है, delta TF निकाल लवांगे ਆਪਾਂ माइनस करके. ठीक है. KF वैल्यू then MB वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करांगे. delta TF इक्वल टू KF इंटू M. सारे ਦੀ वैल्यू मोलरिटी ਦੀ ਵੀ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਸਭ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. MB ਵੈल्यੂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਏਗੀ. That is a 156 gram per mole is the right answer. Next, the rate constant for a fast food reaction, that is a 60 centimeter inverse. So how much time will it take to reduce the concentration of reactant to 1/10 of its initial value? So by using fast food equation, T is equal to 2.303 over K log initial concentration over final concentration. As we know, according to question, final concentration become equal to 1/10 ऑफ इनिशियल 1/10 इंटू ए नोट। सो पुट करांगे वैल्यू टी निकालांगे तो सॉल्व करांगे। सो टी वैल्यू साढ़े को आ रही है 3.8 10⁻², सेकेंड इज द राइट आंसर। Next, the factor the rate of reaction depend. So concentration of reactant, nature of reactant, surface area, temperature, presence of catalyst, and exposure to reactions. Next question, that is what is a primary and secondary cell? Primary cell which are used only once and cannot be recharged. Dry cell, mercury cell, and secondary cell, these can be used again and again and can be recharged by using external source of electricity, that is lead storage battery. ठीक है. Next है the name of reaction, that is a IUPAC naming. So first that is a potassium dicyanoargentate 1 oxidation state आ जाएगी. Second nickel tetraamine diaqua nickel 2 sulfate is the IUPAC naming of a second molecule. ठीक है. Next next question, the boiling point of ether are lower than that of corresponding isomeric alcohol. So ether have low polarity and therefore do not show any association by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. On the other hand, in isomeric alcohols have a stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding and therefore boiling point are high. ठीक है जी. Next that is a conversion from phenol, that is a sodium phenoxide by addition of sodium. So phenol react with the sodium, that will form a sodium phenoxide ion. Next very important question, why chloroacetic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid? So reason is that in case of acetic acid, that is a CH3 group is present and which show plus I effect and which will increase electron density on oxygen, and the OH bond tends to be remain as it is and does not break itself. And in case of chloroacetic acid, that will Cl is electron withdrawing group, that will increase the electron density toward itself, and OH bond remains weak and can be dissociate and give the H positive ion. So that's why the chloroacetic acid become the more stronger acid as compared to acetic acid due to its electron withdrawing or minus I effect nature. ठीक है. Next HVZ reaction. In case of HVZ reaction, alpha hydrogen of carboxylic acid, alpha hydrogen keto group neighborhood carbon having hydrogen, that can be replaced by the halogen in by bromine PbR3 and water hydrolysis ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ halogen group attach ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. So that is called as a HVZ reaction. Next question, that is a aniline react with nitrous acid and HCl, that will give benzene diazonium chloride. ठीक है. Next है why can't vitamin C be stored in our body? So since it is a water soluble and readily excreted in urine, and that's why it is a cannot be stored in our body. ठीक है. Next again important reaction, write a short note on coupling reaction. And in case of coupling reaction, when benzene diazonium chloride react with the phenol, that is removal of HCl and formation of para hydroxyazobenzene is the right product. This is called as a coupling reaction. Define chelation. So when didentate or polydentate ligand uses its two or more donor atom to bind to the same central metal atom or ion and forming a ring structure, that is called as a chelation. ठीक है. Define denticity of a ligand. The number of coordinating or ligating group present in a ligand is called the denticity of a ligand. ठीक है. Next है why zinc, cadmium, mercury are soft and have low melting points. So zinc, cadmium, mercury belong to group 12 of long form of periodic table with general electronic configuration N-1D10 NS2. The elements are soft and have low melting point and high volatile. So due to that, the fully filled electronic configuration of d orbital, and there is a dd or dd transition does not occur. So due to its fully filled electronic configuration having no unpaired electron in d orbital, so that's why the zinc, cadmium, mercury are soft and high and low melting points. Next that is a numerical cell representation is given and the reduction potential are also given. So we have to calculate the standard Gibbs energy. First of all, write the at anode oxidation half cell reaction. Second, at cathode, that is a reduction half cell reaction. Copper 2 positive plus 2 electron to form copper. Then overall cell reaction लिखांगे ਆਪਾਂ. And as we know, inert cell can be calculated E cathode minus anode. So value ਸਾਨੂੰ given है, put करांगे. N value ਸਾਨੂੰ पता है, इत्थों cell reaction तो आ गई है. So by applying the formula, delta G naught become equal to minus NF E naught cell. So सारिਆਂ ਦੀ value put करांगे तो easily solve कर पावांगे. Next, the resistance of 0.5 molar solution of electrolyte enclosed between the two platinum electrode, 1.5 centimeter apart, having area of 2 centimeter square, and was found to be 30 ohm. Resistance, find molar conductivity. So M sanu given hai, L given hai, A given hai, R given hai, C that is a 1 over R. Conductance become equal to 1 over R. So by using the relationship K equal to C into L over A, so इत्थों वैल्यू साढ़े को K दी आ जाएगी. So molar conductivity formula become equal to K into 1000 divided by M. So सारे दी वैल्यू पुट करांगे, solve करांगे, we will get the answer, that is a 50 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Next, first order reaction is 20% complete in 20 minutes, and calculate the time it will reaction to complete in 80%. So as we know, the first order rate equation K equal to 2.303 over T log initial concentration over final concentration. So in the first step, when 20% complete, so apply the A naught, that is 100, A become 100 minus 20, that is 80. Time T भी given 20 minute put करांगे तो so K दी value साढ़े को ला जाएगी 0.0112 minute inverse. So in the second step, for the 80% completion, that is A naught become 100 and A, that is 100 minus 80 20 आ जाएगा. So time T आ जाएगा साढ़े को solve करके 144 minutes. So this is the numerical. Next next question, what happened when primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol are passed over red hot copper? So when primary alcohol treated with the copper 573 Kelvin, that will give the aldehyde formation ethanol, and when secondary alcohol heated with copper 573, that will give the ketone as formation. And in the third step, when tertiary alcohol are heated over copper 573, that will give the alkene formation 2-methyl propene. Next, I discuss the acidic dehydration of alcohol at different temperature. So alcohol when heated over different temperature 443 and 413 Kelvin. So at a 443, that will give the formation of alkene ethene as major product, and at temperature 413 Kelvin, that will give the diethyl ether formation दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. Next, diazonium salt of aromatic amines are more stable than those of aliphatic amines. The reason is that the resonance stability of diazonium salt account for stability of diazonium, and hence the diazonium salt of aromatic amines are more stable than those of aliphatic amines. In case of aliphatic amine, does not exist the resonating structure, and diazonium that will exist the resonating structure or leads to the stability of complex. Next are the lanthanide contraction, cause and consequences. So definition of lanthanide contraction: the steady decrease in atomic and ionic radii in the lanthanide elements with increasing in atomic number, that is called as the lanthanide contraction. So cause है the in case of lanthanide series, as we move from one element to another element, the nuclear charge increases by 1 unit and 1 electron is added. The new electron are added to the same inner 4f subshell. However, the 4f electron shield each other from the nuclear charge quickly, quite poorly, because of very diffuse shape of f orbitals. So however, increase by 1 at each step, hence the increase in atomic number, the nuclear charge, the effective nuclear charge experienced by each 4f electron increases. As a result, the whole of 4f electron shall contract and successive element through the decrease is very small. This results in gradual decrease in size of lanthanide. With increase in atomic number, the sum of a successive reduction that will lead to formation of a lanthanide contraction. This is a graphical representation. ठीक है, La positive to La 3 positive to Lu 3 positive तक ionic radii and atomic number. ठीक है. Next है consequences. So due to the lengthened contraction, the second and third transition series show the resemblance. So that's why zirconium and hafnium show similar atomic and ionic radii 160 and 159 picometer. ठीक है. Next, similarity among the lengthened elements. Next, third, that is a basicity difference between the LaOH3 thrice is more basic than LuOH thrice due to the lengthened contractions. Next, that is a reaction of potassium chromate, the chromyl chloride reaction. So potassium dichromate react with NaCl and sulfuric acid, formation sodium bisulfate and chromyl sorry, chromyl chloride as a formation CrO2Cl2. Next question है why transition metals show variable oxidation state. So these show variable oxidation state due to the availability of N-1d and Ns electron for the bond formation. As the energy of an ultimate d orbital and ultimate s orbital are nearly same, the sum total of Ns and unpaired N-1d electron determine the highest oxidation state as shown by the transition elements. Next, the definition of a racemic mixture, the equimolar mixture of elements dextro and levo, that is called as a racemic mixture. Next, that is alkyl halide when treated with the alcoholic and aqueous KOH, that will lead to the formation of different products. So in case of aqueous KOH, that is a ionic in nature, easily KCl and alcohol formation occur, and in case of alcoholic KOH, that is the alkoxide ion is present, which will abstract the hydrogen from the neighborhood carbon also and lead to formation of alkene due to the stronger base of alkoxide ion. So due to that, alcoholic QH will lead to formation of alkene and aqueous QH will lead to formation of alcohol. So these are the all the important question of this second sample paper. So hope that all of the students will cover this topic and sample paper and will get 70 out of 70 marks. So all the best. Have a great day. Thank you.